Hey guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY. Today is day 3. I can't believe it already. Day 3, and I have some more Christmas crafts for you in my 12 days of Christmas crafting. And these are so easy that literally a baby can do it. I'm not kidding. I'm going to show you how to make these home decor signs, and literally super duper easy. And I used a Cricut, but you can use stickers from the dollar store and it will work out perfectly fine. So let's get into this DIY. But first, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video and you don't miss it, because I have so much more stuff in store that I don't even know how to contain myself right now. So if you missed it, click the link up here so that you can see my latest tutorial, this thing right here. And let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's DIY. Stain the star, I used aged wheat wood stain, and I just spread it sparingly with the sponge brush and then took a napkin and just kind of spread it around. You don't have to use too much of the wood stain or else it will get too dark, so it just, I guess, depends on how dark you want the star to be. I wanted it to be like a little rustic look, so I didn't use that much wood stain. Make sure that you kind of get all of the wood stain off with the napkin, otherwise it will be too oily and the decal won't stick. Make sure you get the edges to make it a uniform look, and you still will have to wipe down the edges even though you're only just using a little bit. I took navy in the paint and white paint together. I mixed them together, and so that I can get like a lighter blue snowflakey color. And I didn't mix the white in completely, so that some parts of the snowflake will look darker than the other. I like that look better than having it all one uniform look. But if you do want it to look one look, then you'll have to mix in the white with the blue completely. Otherwise, it'll look like mine, where some parts are darker than the other. I combined two SVGs together to have this one saying. I'll link them down below. The SVG measured at about 4.5 on the Cricut, so you want to make sure that you have the correct size for this before you print it, or else you'll be wasting paper, which is expensive. So you want to make sure you have the right measurement, and once you have the SVG printed and the decal how you want it, you can just place it right in the middle of the star. As I said before, you'll want to make sure that the star isn't oily from the wood stain, or else it'll be a little tough for the vinyl to stick, which I had a little issue here. But once I kind of took it word by word, letter by letter, it was okay, and it stuck fine. So you'll just want to be sure that you're just not ripping off the top transfer tape, and you're actually making sure that the letters are sticking. But one thing with Cricut that everyone knows is that sometimes the vinyl needs a little TLC, and that's okay. Just a little extra time to get the letters to stick how you want them to stick and to make sure that they're secure. So that's all, just a little TLC. Paint has a better hold, so it was a little easier, actually a much easier for me to stick on the decal on this one. Just a little wham bam thank you ma'am, and it stuck perfectly fine, and this one was a-okay to be pulled right off. And that's it. You have 2 perfect wooden signs for the holiday season. You can put them in the kitchen, outside on your door, in your living room, on the wall, wherever, and it looks perfect. Whew, so easy, right? I know. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And I hope that you love these as much as I do, because they're so cute. Nonetheless, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in making these, tell me what phrase you would use on them instead of the ones that I use, because I want to make more and I'm thinking about putting different phrases on it. So comment down below and tell me what phrase you would use for these signs. And if you like what you saw, click this link right here, because that is my latest tutorial and I want you to check it out. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for day 4 and let's keep this motion moving. We're doing a great job and I hope that you are doing these crafts too, because it's the holiday season and this is how we are getting in the mood of the season with crafting, Christmas crafting to be exact. Don't forget to check out Simply Mindy. She is hosting this awesome collaboration and I'm having so much fun, and she is cooked up so much good stuff that I don't want you to miss it. So make sure you go and check her out. I'll link all her info down below. So that's it. That's all I have. See you tomorrow, guys.